The Arlington Health Department hosted a forum in the Town Hall auditorium to discuss rodent concerns. Roughly 50 attendees heard from experts and put their ideas on Post-it notes. Arlington has been aiming to move closer to becoming free of rodenticides, which have harmed predatory birds and in many cases killed area raptors, like a family of owls at Menotomy Rocks Park, and earlier this year claimed the life of MK, the bald eagle that made its home here. Earlier this year, the town has prohibited second-generation anticoagulant rodenticides, or SGARs, on virtually all town properties. ACMi News talked to town manager Sandy Pooler about the forum and recently State Rep Sean Garballey about plans to ban SGARs on a state level.
We want to talk to the public about how to control rodents without using those SGAR poisons that get into the whole environment and go up the food chain. So I think this was an important conversation to have. We were also really focusing on how to do better outreach to the public, because I think one of the challenges for us is internally we know a lot of information. But we also know, just from talking to people, that there's a lack of information. That, I think, was a very important part of today's forum. There are plenty of sticky notes that people have put up with their ideas. I heard some great conversations at the tables. So I think that will help us in how we reach out to the community to get information. And I think there was a good exchange of different ideas and methods about rodent control. So I think more and better information and a good conversation.
There are 3 pieces of legislation that have been filed around the SGAR issue. One of them is a home rule petition that I have filed along with Senator Friedman and Representative Rogers that would give Arlington the ability to ban these products town-wide. Another piece of legislation filed by Representative Carmen Gentile of Sudbury and Concord and Framingham would be a statewide bill that would be municipal option and allow cities and towns to ban these SGAR products if they wish. So where we have an Arlington one, there's one that would allow a ban to be done by every municipality if they so choose, statewide. And then there's another one filed by Representative Jim Hawkins of Attleboro that would really open up the information pipeline in terms of how these products are used, when they're used across the state, really give us the data that's really necessary on how these products are used and the kind of harmful outcomes that are produced from the usage of these products. And we know they cause harm. MK was just the latest bird of prey, from falcons to small pets to owls that have been just devastated by these products.
The May 18th forum also aimed to discuss the several holistic alternatives to control rodents that don't harm the natural food chain.